On the 21st day of his hunger strike, Sonam Wangchuk was removed from Jantar Mantar by the Delhi police against his wishes because he was supporting the CJP, demanding the education minister to resign over the paper leaks, asking for an overhaul of how our country runs its exams that determine the future of millions of students.
Throw out a random word.
Deception.
So what are they doing?
Working against national interest.
And what is the tagline?
The nation wants to know tonight.
और समस्याएं हल करना तो दूर, लोकतंत्र की सब भांति हत्या की जा रही।
Now, you may be somebody who agrees or doesn't agree with his methods. You may not support Cockroach Janata Party or you may support them, but I don't think that matters. I don't think that should stop us from paying attention to the larger question, which is what should citizens be allowed to do when they believe the government is not listening to them?
Good evening. It's called the Cockroach Movement, backed by tens of millions on social media. It's led by Gen Z protesters in India.
कोई करे भी तो क्या करे, देश को जगाओ, देश को थोड़ा सा होश से भरो। समस्याएं बड़ी हैं, तुम्हें बड़े लोग चाहिए जो तुम्हारी समस्याएं हल कर सके, दूरदृष्टि लोग चाहिए, वैज्ञानिक क्षमता प्रतिभा के लोग चाहिए।
Them. You know, every time I'm struggling with answers, I go back to history, and one of history's most famous questioners was Socrates.
Now just pick a random location.
The American embassy.
Not that one. I need a visa. Recover.
This is a very serious matter.
Now I need adjectives. Just throw out adjectives.
And this shady,
Check.
mysterious,
Good one.
dirty
Building.
tricks.
What?
This is very
Use another cryptic word.
mysterious.
Great.
Instances after instances.
So like.
He wasn't always right, but he strongly defended our right to ask questions, and his life left us with an important lesson.
देश को एक बहुत जागरूक लोकमत बनाना चाहिए। मैं नहीं कहता कि तुम चुनाव लड़के और लोकसभा में पहुंच जाओ, नहीं, मगर जहां हो हवा पैदा करो, जागरूकता थोड़ी पैदा करो। लोगों को कहो कि समस्याएं, असली समस्याएं क्या हैं। झूठी समस्याओं को बताओ कि ये झूठी समस्याएं, इनमें आदमियों का मन उलझाया जाता है। तुम्हारा मन हटाने के लिए झूठी समस्याएं खड़ी कर दी जाती।
A society should be able to examine its own ideas instead of accepting them without question. You know, in fact, Athens even had a place called the Agora, the physical heart of its democracy, just like Jantar Mantar.
Can you go down on the price?
Instead of accepting them without question. You know, in fact, Athens even had a place called the Agora, the physical heart of its democracy.
और लोगों को इतना सजग करो कि जब वे मत देने जाएं, जो कम से कम झूठ बोलता हो, जो कम से कम राजनीतिक हो, जो कम से कम पदलोलुप हो, उसको ही मत देना। इसकी हवा पैदा करो और जिंदा लोगों को मत दो। मुर्दों को, जो कभी के मर चुके हैं, जिन्हें कब्रों में होना चाहिए था, वो चूड़ीदार पजामा पहन के, अचकन पहन के सत्ता कर रहे हैं।
Because it is the right of citizen to show disagreement and ask for accountability from the people we chose to be in power. Is it not? The whole idea of the people, for the people, by the people, that's literally what we grew up believing democracy means.
जिंदगी को मत दो, जवानों को मत दो, इसकी हवा जरूर पैदा करो।
So why have we somewhere along the way started treating dissent as this suspicious move, as anti-national? Because that's so far from the truth.
लोगों को थोड़ी जीने की स्वतंत्रता दो, थोड़ी सांस लेने की स्वतंत्रता दो। तुम्हें जो ठीक लगता हो उसका प्रचार करो, हवा पैदा करो, लोक मत बनाओ, लेकिन जबरदस्ती क्यों? प्रत्येक को अपने ढंग से जीने दो। लोकतंत्र का अर्थ ही यह होता है।
Asking a government hard questions is not the opposite of loving our country. It's what somebody who wants their country to be better actually does.
लेकिन एक वातावरण होना चाहिए, सुसंस्कार की एक हवा पैदा होनी चाहिए, जोर जबरदस्ती नहीं।
That's why Athens even had a word for a person who didn't ask question. It was idiocies. So, whichever party you support, whatever your ideology is, it doesn't matter. Just don't be